Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to our channel. Nnamdi Kanu, the leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, may not be a politician, but one thing is certain. Most politicians in Nigeria would definitely like to have one-on-one interaction with him based on what is going on in the southeast. I'm talking about most especially the southern part of Nigeria, the governors, the politicians. Well, as we speak, it looks like something is brewing, and these politicians seem to be very bold in saying some of the things they had in common, as he has been given opportunity to have one-on-one conversation and share ideology with Nnamdi Kanu in DSS detention. Before we go into the news proper, we'd like you to subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already by clicking on the red subscribe button beside it. You say bell notification icon. Please go ahead, click on it to get notified as soon as we update our channel on YouTube. While the southeastern governors and politicians have a different view, the northern part of the country, the politicians have a totally different view on Nnamdi Kanu, as the chief whip of the Senate and former governor of Abia State, Senator Orji Kalu, on Monday visited the embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu. Report has it that Kanu is in the custody of the Department of State Services, facing terrorism-related charges before Justice Binta Iyakoff, Federal High Court in Abuja. Kalu, that's Orji Kalu. Kalu said he encouraged Nnamdi Kanu, to consider the consequences of certain actions and utterances for the sake of Igbo people. He pointed out that his ideology and Kanu's are totally different. This afternoon, I'm going to quote exactly what he wrote. He said, "This afternoon, I visited my brother, Nnamdi Kanu, in DSS custody, Abuja. I met him in good health and care, and we discussed as Umunne. In 2001, when I was governor, I made his father, Israel Kanu, traditional ruler of Akwara Uku, and since then the family has been very close to me. I understand that Nnamdi has an insane amount of people rooting for his back home, and I encouraged him to consider the consequences of certain actions and utterances for the sake of the same people. Even though my ideology and his ideology are totally different, God has made us brothers, and we can't run away from each other. I owe him and Nigerians good counseling. Whether he and his family listens to me or not, I will continue to counsel him as I have always done in the past. What we need most is a peaceful and secure society." Orji Kalu made this in one of his verified social media handle. Of course, Nigerians have been reacting to this statement, but then again, this northern part of the country seemed to have a totally different view of Nnamdi Kanu. Well, a founding member of Arewa Consultative Forum, ACF, and elder statesman Tanko Yakassi says the embattled leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, Nnamdi Kanu, would not be a good governorship candidate. He spoke in an interview with Channels TV recently. According to the 96-year-old secessionist, the secessionist agitation by Abia-born Kanu weakens the chances of Igbo people to produce a credible presidential candidate in 2023 general elections. Talk about politics. Diaspora-based Kanu, who is in the custody of the Department of State Services (DSS), is facing terrorism-related charges over Biafra agitation. This Nnamdi Kanu, who is ordinarily to me, and well, according to Yakassi, he said, and I quote, he said, "This Nnamdi Kanu, who ordinarily to me would not even be a good candidate for the governorship of any of the southeastern states, is now claiming the attention and support of prominent people in the southeast, is making people doubt if the south is really ready to produce a credible candidate that would help Nigeria as a whole. That doubt is there," Yakassi said. Last Wednesday, Yakassi hosted the All Progressive Congress APC national leader Bola Tinubu and revealed that he would support the former Lagos State Governor's presidential bid in 2023. Now you can understand why Chief Whip Senator Orji Kalu seemed to go down to DSS to have a special interaction with Nnamdi Kanu. You know, he's actually vying also for presidency 2023, so there's a lot at stake. Now, if the North does not give him the support or the required support he needs based on Nnamdi Kanu's agitation, then you can understand now why he's feeling so not too comfortable. Don't forget that Bola Ahmed Tinubu of Southwest is also vying for the same position, and this is a case of winner wins all. You know, there's no shortcuts. It's either you get the ticket or you don't. And now, Nnamdi Kanu here is agitating for Biafra, and Yakassi is saying, look, if you guys are all prominent people are going to visit Nnamdi Kanu, and to Yakassi, Nnamdi Kanu is just an ordinary person, but at least Senator Orji Kalu acknowledges and identify that Nnamdi Kanu have a serious followership that is mind-blowing. How he got it, honestly, I have no idea. But these people follow him doggedly, you know, and it's worrying, or it's worrisome to a lot of politicians, being the fact that they are supposed to have such level of patronage or such level of followership, but because of propaganda, really, do Nigerians really value politicians that much? When they say genuine one, I can assure you Nigerians will probably give their full support and full everything. But over the years, the politicians have learned to fail, and Nigerians, so sometimes Nigerians get to listen to politicians with just a little bit of with a pinch of salt whenever they make promises, and so you wouldn't blame them. But now, Orji Kalu is now telling Nigerians as a whole that look, Nnamdi Kanu is his brother, as Umunne concerned, as an brother to brother, sister to sister talk. This is family talk, and they say, look, much as we are brothers, I'm quoting him now, but we have different ideologies, so that people like Yakassi will not par Yakassi with due respect, will not begin to think that okay, when you are given the presidency, you will begin to fight for Biafra and all that. He's saying, look, he's my brother. We speak the same language, but we have different ideology, and he's casting and say, look, this thing you're doing, I wonder what he is, but what he's saying in fact is, whatever it is you're doing, can you pipe low? So whether they listen to him or not doesn't matter. But right now, Nigerians are looking at it on the platform of the fact that he's vying for presidency. If he wasn't, would he have visited? That reminds me of Andy Uba, that also was insisting on seeing Nnamdi Kanu before the elections of Anambra State, all because of the elections that was forthcoming then. It has come, it has gone. Have you heard Andy Uba again, or you find Uba rather, making any moves to go and see Nnamdi Kanu again? I guess it's all about elections. That's going to wrap it up. Let's meet in our comment section. Also take.